everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's discuss top 3 medical writing courses in Patna. So our first and the topmost institute to learn medical writing is IIM Skills because of their dedicated placement cell and the money refund policy. Apart from this course was founded by Mr. Vaibhav Kakkad in 2015, who is one of the best content writer in the world. And they have a dedicated LMS for their students in which you can access all of their pre-reading material, the course, the syllabus, the modules, everything. And they also provide their pre-recorded sessions in their LMS. So if anything changes in the future, like the course, the material or the modules, you can have the access of this. And in fact, their medical writing course is specially designed for those students who are working professionals and want to learn from pace of their trainers are highly professional, and this course is about 5 weeks, for which they charge you approx 24,900, and it is a part of technical writing course as well. So if you're really interested to learn medical writing, then IIM Skills would be a great option for you. So the next institute which I am going to talk about is Technical Writer HQ, which stands for the headquarters, and it is again a very similar institute to the IIM Skills because of the dedicated LMS. And this course varies up to 5 weeks, I guess, and their fees is something approx 27,000. This course is highly focused on the practical knowledge instead of the theoretical lessons, but the only drawback of this course is that it is a self-paced program, so it would be really tough for you to understand the course without any expert guide. Now the last but not least, we have James Lind, which offers PG and diploma programs in professional medical writing course. But this course is little bit on higher side, which is 1,17,000 for 1 year. But you can access the course up to 2 years as well, according to your learning speed. So means if you're a professional or the beginner content writer and looking to grab a diploma degree in medical writing, then James Lind can also help you with this. Lastly, as I've given you the list of top 3 options for the medical writing and also given the links in the description box, please go and check out. And first date the demos of these institutes, and then select any right institute for the medical writing course. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And if you're still facing any doubts, just feel free to comment below and I will personally reply to you with all of the possible solutions. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and happy